Hello everyone, in today's video we're preparing strawberry jam the traditional way. Here I have 2 kilograms of strawberries. Choose the quantity of fruit you want to use for your jam. First, we'll wash the strawberries and remove their stems. As we remove the stems, we're placing the strawberries into a wide pot. When making strawberry jam, I prefer these smaller strawberries to keep them whole so I don't have to cut them. They look much nicer in the jam when they're whole and round rather than in pieces. Although even when they're in pieces, it's not bad. Now that we've covered the bottom with strawberries, we'll add sugar on top. The ratio of sugar to strawberries is 1:1. No matter what jam you're making, it's 1:1. I have 2 kilograms of strawberries and I'll add 2 kilograms of sugar. We pour the remaining sugar over the strawberries. We evenly distribute the sugar everywhere. We put a spoon in, cover with a cloth, and leave it overnight so the strawberries release their juice, and tomorrow we'll cook them. The next day, when you remove the cloth, it should all look like this. The strawberries have released their juice. If you have any dry parts or not enough juice, pour half a cup to a cup of water. Now we put this on the heat. When we put the strawberries on the stove, we'll set it to medium to high heat. Meanwhile, we'll occasionally shake the pot because we don't stir the jam. Once the liquid boils, we'll reduce the temperature a bit so we can remove as much as we can of the foam that has risen to the surface. We leave the jam to boil for about an hour. Occasionally, we shake it like this to prevent burning. 2 kilograms of fruit and 2 kilograms of sugar cook for about an hour. If you choose 1 kilogram of fruit and 1 kilogram of sugar, you'll cook for about 40 minutes. Just before the hour of cooking is up, we take a full spoon, pour it onto a saucer, and let it cool in the fridge to check if the consistency is good enough. During that time, we let the jam continue to cook a bit. We've succeeded. The syrup is cooked and we can now remove the jam from the heat. We take the jam off the heat and give it a little shake. Then we cover it with a damp cloth. We leave it like this to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, we'll sterilize the washed jars, placing them in an oven, setting it to 100 degrees Celsius to heat up, and leaving them for 10 to 15 minutes. As soon as we take these jars out of the oven, we immediately pour the strawberry jam into them. We seal each jar while it's still hot and tighten well. We check again and then turn the jars upside down. We leave them like this to cool, then we'll store them in a dark and dry place. This is the amount we obtained from 2 kilograms of strawberries and 2 kilograms of sugar.